Hello guys, so today we're going to make a Lego Mario. So this video is for the YouTuber Cornelius Funhouse. Okay, so first we get these legs. And so then we get this. And so it has holes in the side. And then you can stick it right on the legs. Like that. And so then we have these arms and the holes on the body. So we can stick the arms onto the holes of Mario's body. You have that. And so then we're going to take out that. So it's easy to make. So that black thing's going to be the mustache. And so we stick it onto the Mario. Then we get this brown thing, and that brown thing is Mario's hair. And that red thing is going to be the hat. So we stick it onto Mario like that, and then we get this. So that's his eyes and part of his hat. And so we're going to stick this onto the Mario. Right there, like that. And you have Lego Mario.